Beautiful people, how are you doing? So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can receive your payment for whatever thing you're selling online. I'll be showing you a legit website that helps you to receive payment in any currency. You understand? Even if you don't have the product, or you're teaching something online, you can still use the same medium to receive payment from anywhere you are in the world. So guys, let me just quickly show you my Gmail so that you will see that. So as you can see, this is my Gmail. As you can see, these are messages from seller, new sale, messages from seller. So if you're new to this channel, please do watch, subscribe. For a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. Like I always say, welcome to the screen of my phone, because I use my phone for basically everything I do online. So I'll just be going to my Chrome browser. I have to create a new tab on my Chrome browser. Now go on Chrome and click seller.io. So this is what the account looks like for you that you're just starting out, or you just want to start out on seller. You can click on create an account for free. So once you click on create an account for free, as you can see, they have over 500,000 plus people using seller worldwide. Seller is worldwide. Like, you can receive payment from wherever you are in the world using seller. So all you need to do is to input a username, input an email address, input a full name, input your password, and you create the account. I'll click on login. I will input my details, my Gmail and my password, and I'll log in. So this is me. I have logged into my seller. As you can see, it has my name on top, Ajorin Oluwakemi. It has my name on top. So I've logged in. Let me just show you guys. This is what the dashboard looks like. You understand? Let me click on some of the products. No, let me just show you guys easily. Now if you want to receive payment on seller, what you need to do is to create a product for that payment. You understand? Even if the product doesn't necessarily means it is for that particular this thing. Maybe you're doing a training online, you understand, and you want to receive payments from different people all over the world. You can create a product about that online training, and once that person signs up and make the payment, you get the contact info and you add the person to a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group, anyway, wherever the training will be holding. But here's what you do first. You click on this add a product. You click on this add product. Once you click on this add product, you need to pick what type of product you want to create. Maybe a physical product, a digital product, a ticket, a course, a stream online, whatever. So because I'm using a free version of seller, I will be creating a digital product. I'll click on next. So I'll click on digital product and click on next. There is, you need to have the product image. So I'll click on the drag and drop button. I'll go to browse. I need to choose an image for the product. So I'll go to my gallery. Depending on where the file you want to choose is on your phone, that is where that is what you click on. So let's just say what I want to promote is this particular one. Okay, let's say I'm promoting an ebook that talks about how to make money. You understand? The next thing is, let's just say I'll choose a name. I need to name the product. So let's assume payment means, or payment method. Let's use payment method. So the next one here is you fix your price. If what you're selling is free, leave the price whatever. If it is not free, just come down here and input 5,000. Automatically it is in nairas, but anybody that wants to buy your product automatically will get it in the currency or the exchange rate. You understand? The next thing here, you need to show, if you want to show, something like striking out an old price and an original price, you click on it. So let me say the old price is 15,000 naira. So you guys will see how it looks. Then say something brief about this book that you are selling. Just say this is an interesting book or course on the matters of money. So the next thing that we have here will be category. It means the category your product falls into. Maybe business, wealth and finance, anyone. Subcategory, you choose any subcategory that you want. The next thing is this product has multiple variants. Now what it means is maybe you're selling something that is in series, you understand? Maybe 4 months weight loss meal plan, you come again and say 8 months weight loss meal plan. So you just name them in series. So you tick on this if it is in series. Now come to this more details. This more details, it's where you said where you want the product to be situated, you understand? After that, click on the next beside the more details. It says upsells and crop sells. Now it depends on what you want to sell. If you're selling two products together, you can use this particular tab. The next one here is advanced option. Now basically this advanced option is maybe you want to include call to action for people to type in something or pick or do something, you get. Then you come to email marketing tags. Now email marketing tags is another means to gather email using the same website. A lot of companies have gathered thousands of emails using Seller, and they keep making money with those emails every day. So now you need to choose an email method. Like me now, the email method I have here is Mailchimp. You understand? Mailchimp. So it gathers all my emails and all of that. Then you have to come back to more details. Now more details is they're asking you if this product is on pre-order. Now the last here on this thing is you need to upload the file that you're selling. If you want the file to be downloadable, you can upload it. If you want the file to be read only online, you can upload such file. But I would advise you upload downloadable file, to help your subscribers, considering that data isn't easy to come by these days. So let me just click on this downloadable file. You understand? So the listing is on downloadable file. Now I have to click on drag and drop the file that I want to choose. So I need to drag and drop the file. My file I usually find them under this WPS section. So that's where you see any file that you want to drop. So let me just you choose any file that you want to drop. Develop your financial IQ. So now here we have it. We have the file. Now if you want to redirect them to another website after downloading this file, you can automatically add a URL to redirect the people. But if you are not going to do that, just click on create product. Now this create product basically has created a product for you. You understand? You can send this link to anybody if you want to receive payment. You understand? Click on this option and you click on go to public link. So as you can see, this is the ebook we created. You understand? This is the strike out amount. This is the 5,000. The payment method. This is our picture. Now, if you click on this, and on this website, customers can drop their review. Or maybe they like your product or anything. If you click on this buy now, this is where it will land you. You click on checkout. Now this checkout, you need to, these are the details that is only required from you. Now this is how we generate our the email. If you want me to show you how I was able to, you know, add a email extractor, a free email extractor, let me know in the comment section. Just say it in the comment section. Please make that video. Say please make that video in the comment section. And like this video if you have not liked this video. If you are getting content and value from this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. So here as it is now, I have to input my name, my email. Anybody I send this link to would definitely input their name and their email. Now their name and their email are for my mail extractors. My mail extractor, it will extract those two things. You understand? Therefore creating an email list for me. So as you can see, this is one of the easiest way you can make payment online for anything, like payment method for anything. You input your card details. You can also change the payment method that you want through this same website. You understand? So guys, that's all you have to do if you're looking for a payment method, or another payment means, or another means of receiving payment online. Just come here, create a product that will enable people to make payment to you. You understand? You can then divert them or request for maybe their phone numbers or anything to take them to a group. Or if you're selling a course, you can just come on Seller and upload your course, and then you start making money online. And this is in almost all the countries, so I would say it is worldwide. This is worldwide, so you can sign up on this website from anywhere you are in the world. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.